Hello, my name is Tim. I'm a teacher with Fast Track Training, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to pass the driving theory test in 2020. This is about how to pass or how to book your DVLA theory test and pass your driving test. We will cover also how to pass the hazard perception test and what type of questions come up in the mock theory test. You will need the following certificates to get if you want to get your driving license. You will need a driving theory test and hazard perception test as one of the certificates, and a practical driving exam pass certificate which you can book for here on the government website. There are two ways to pass your test. First of all, if you want training from a teacher, then you can visit us here at Fast Track Training, and also you can visit our web page for a driving theory test training page. You can also visit our free practice question pages. In this article we will cover the following topics. What is the multiple choice theory test? That's one topic. The next topic, what is the hazard perception test? 3, how much does it cost? 4, where, when and how can I book the exam? 5, how much time should I spend revising? 6, finally, how can a teacher help me pass quicker? What is the multiple choice driving theory test? It consists of a series of multiple choice questions. You have 1 hour to answer 50 multiple choice questions. Before the driving theory test, you'll get instructions on how the test works, the chance to do some practice questions to get used to the screens, and that is very useful. How the theory test works. Well, there are 50 questions, and you need to correctly answer 43 of them to pass the exam. A question and several possible answers appear on a screen. You have to select the right answer. The questions are taken from each of these following categories: alertness, attitude, safety in your vehicle, hazard awareness, vulnerable road users, other types of vehicles, vehicle handling, motorway rules, rules of the road, road and traffic signs, documents, incidents, accidents and emergencies. What is the hazard perception test? What does it consist of? What you'll hear, or what you will see here, are 14 video clips. The clips will all have one hazard in them, except for one clip which will have 2 hazards in it. You will need to score 44 out of 75 to pass this exam. You can visit our free questions and answer page if you want to practice the driving theory test. What should I be clicking on in the hazard perception test? Well, what you should be clicking on are a series of vulnerable road users. There are 7 different kinds of vulnerable road users in this test and 3 different types of vehicle. As long as you click on these, you will get the points. Examples of vulnerable road users are elderly drivers, pedestrians, new drivers, children, animals, cyclists and so on. Other types of vehicles, lorries and buses, trams, motorcyclists. If you watch our video on our YouTube channel, you'll see how we pass the exam with ease. So you'll be able to pass the exam with ease. How much does the test cost? Well, the driving test costs £23. Information on the other costs is found on the government website. How to book the exams. A driving theory test and hazard perception test, you can book those on the government website. The practical driving exam, you can book that here on the government website again. Where, when and how can I book an exam? Well, first of all, where? Well, the exam centre will be the one closest to your postcode. When can I sit an exam? Well, the exam bookings are usually available within 1 month. And again, you'll need to go onto the booking website to find the dates and times. What documents will I need to book the exam? Well, then you'll need your provisional driving licence. If you don't have a provisional driving licence, you can apply for one here. How much time should I spend revising? As a teacher, I cannot give you an exact figure, but generally we find in the time we've been doing it, the 7 years, that we should spend 9 hours revising about 20 mock exam papers. And each mock exam paper, consists of 50 questions. So that's 1,000 questions in total to have a go at if you want to. You should spend 1 hour on hazard perception, revision, and you should also spend approximately 1 hour on road signs revision. How can a teacher help me pass quicker? Well, there are 3 ways a teacher can help you pass quicker. First of all, you can have a go at the free questions and answers, which you can get from us. Secondly, you could have a free 30-minute demonstration with a teacher on WhatsApp or Sky, bookable here. Or thirdly, you could try one of our training classes, which helps students pass their exam first time. If you don't pass first time, you will get a free go again. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to come to us and ask or contact us via our web page. Finally, have a great day. Fast Trackers, always remember you're the best, and we want you, after you pass your exams, to help others to also become the best by helping them pass their exams. Have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.